Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I hope you all have a great day. In this video, I will talk about my final project. But before I reveal what is the title or what is my final project, I would like to introduce myself. So, my name is Nurul Ilmi and I'm currently studying at Telkom University in Bandung. So, before I reveal the title of my final project, I would like to start this presentation with a fact. So, do you know that this is the fact? In 2019, there are 1,279 cases of robberies happened in Jakarta. This data is from Jakarta Metropolitan Police, and we should talk about how high the number is because this number is only come from Jakarta, which means only one province in Indonesia. Meanwhile, we do have 34 provinces in Indonesia. And what is actually the correlation between this fact and my final project is that because I want to come up with a solution that will, I hope, will reduce the number of cases. So, but the solution is not from the perpetrator side, but it's from the victim side. So, may I present to you, ladies and gentlemen, this is MOTION-32 or movement detection with ESP32 camera and telegram. Okay, so we move. So you probably ask that what is the exact definition, but I know you probably know it from the title itself, so I will explain it again. MOTION-32 is ESP32 cam based security camera with motion sensor and telegram notification. And also, as you can see in your screen, there are several words that I highlight with red, which you basically assume that these are the main components of this project. And yes, it's true. These three are the main components of this project. So the next one, you probably ask, how does it works? How does this thing works? So basically, first of all, the motion sensor will detect any kind of movement going around it. So it can come from animals or humans, basically any kind of movements or motion, and then they will send a signal to the ESP32 cam. So the ESP32 cam can capture the moment right there, right now. So after they capture the image or the moment, they will send it to the telegram database, which is in cloud, and send it to your phone or to you as the user, and that will make you receive a telegram notification. So how to make this or how to build this project? So there are several components, and by components I mean hardwares and softwares, which is the first one is ESP32 cam. This is a microcontroller that has an integrated camera and Wi-Fi module so that you can connect it to the internet. And then after this, I have a motion sensor, which is the component that will use to detect any kind of motion. And then there is USB to TTL that I use this component to program the ESP32 cam. And in the fourth one, there's a PCB or project circuit board, which is the board that we use to connect all these components together. And the fifth one, there is a jumper wires that we use to connect. We use jumper wires to connect each of the components. And next one is Arduino IDE, which is the software that we use to put all of our programs in there. And the 27 one, there's a Telegram, so you have to install it in your phone. And there's a package of this project which is this package is 3D printed. So basically that's all, and every beginning has come to an end. And before I end this presentation, I would like to explain the summary. And you may ask that why is that I put Internet of Things. So I think that Internet of Things is discovered or is made the humankind to help us to ease or to facilitate our activities, and the goal behind Internet of Things is to have devices that self-report in real time and improving efficiency and bringing important information to the surface more quickly than a system depending on human intervention. So we all should feel glad that there's the Internet of Things in our lives. And of course, my final project is one of the Internet of Things. So the references, I have one which is from the YouTube channel called Viral Science, and the title of their video is ESP32 Cam Motion Alert, send image to Telegram, and I attach the link in my presentation. And basically that's all from my presentation. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.